Hey guys, welcome to Japan. Today we are at the legendary Yamaha factory. Just look at this massive complex. This is where the magic happens. We're gonna build the iconic YZ450 from scratch right here in this warehouse full of dreams. Let's go inside. It all starts with this lightweight aluminum frame. The robots and engineers work together to make sure every weld is perfect. And here comes the heart of the beast, the two-stroke engine. Watching them drop it into the frame with such precision is just so satisfying.
Bueno, smoothly.
Check out these gold forks. This suspension is designed to handle the toughest jumps. And we can't forget those signature blue rims. When they put the wheels on, it finally starts looking like a real dirt bike ready to tear up. Now for the best part, the Yamaha blue plastics. It looks aggressive and fast, but looks aren't everything. Listen to that scream on the dyno. That is pure two-stroke power right there. Every single bike get tested to the limit before it leaves. And there it is, fully assembled and ready to go. Riding this beast through the city feels absolutely incredible. The handling, the sound, it's a masterpiece. Thanks for watching the build, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.